Welcome to Charlie's How-To for Homeowners. I'm Buddy with John Stevenson Plumbing, Heating, and Air, and I'm here to teach you how to swap and change an anode rod. So changing an anode rod, we need to do a couple key steps. And in doing so, you want to shut off your water, which is located right up here. And with your flathead screwdriver, you want to bleed out any water in the system, like so. And now, let's talk about the location of the anode rod. The anode rod is going to be located on the hot side, right here, attached to this line. So now that I showed you where the anode rod is located, we're going to grab our trusty channel locks and unscrew and loosen the line. Now that you've done so, you want to grab your channel locks. And your best thing is to grab it where the threads are not. But if you have to grab it where the threads are, then just make sure you got a firm grip on the first try. Now that it's loose, if you don't have very much clearance, you're going to have to chop it piece by piece in order to get it out. But if you do have clearance, just make sure you don't hit anything in the way. Now that we pulled it out, we want to check if our anode rod's been doing what it's supposed to. And as you can see right here, it's already attracted the minerals, limestone or iron, causing our water to go here before it goes into our water heater. Now when we're replacing them, this is your traditional anode rod, and this is one that we will be replacing it with. When replacing, just slowly put the anode rod into the desired location. Now that we got our anode rod now back in our desired place, we want to grab our channel locks and now start tightening it down. Now we want to grab our line and reattach it as well. First we want to hand tighten it onto the threads. That way we don't cross thread anything. And now we're going to tighten this snug, but not tighten it too much. Now that we did that, we want to go ahead and turn back on our water line, but do it slowly, not crank it all the way. Like so. And now we want to come over here and inspect all the work we did. Make sure there's no leaks, nothing happened out of the ordinary. Now that it looks good, it looks like you did a good job.
Are we ready?
Welcome to Charlie's How-To for Homeowners, right? Damn, is that it? We'll stop, right? And then now I can just keep going, keep freestyling.